Hey everyone, let's quickly set up Venmo payment protection and privacy so your money activity stays safe and private. Open the Venmo app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings, then go into privacy. Here's the most important part. Under default privacy settings, switch it to private. This makes sure only you and the other person can see your payments, not friends or the public. If you've been using Venmo for a while, changing this only affects future payments. To protect everything you've already sent or received, stay in the privacy menu, tap Past Transactions, and choose Change All to Private. This locks down your full history. For extra safety, head into the security settings and turn on a PIN or face or fingerprint unlock. That way, no one can send money if they get access to your phone. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more simple app tutorials and money safety tips, and let me know in the comments which app you want me to break down next.